Okay, so we're doing a final walkthrough for 3333 31st Street. This is the front house here. I believe it's a 1922 to 1923 build, and I completely rewired this guy last week. Just got all the fixtures installed, porch light. Had a nice little crawl space for us to use, which was good. The front house, yeah, nice crawl space. The back house is a little granny unit, 2-bedroom, living room, kitchenette, dining room. I rewired that a month previous to the front house. On the back of this granny flat at that alley is the main power to this front unit that I ran a new feeder in the ground from there, a big 2-inch pipe all the way over to here. That's how we fed this new front house from the back dual meter panel that's going to be going in. And we've got power for the new tankless. And let's just do a quick walk inside. So the back patio area, this area, dining, laundry, not going to get tucked. All going to get remodeled by another company. I don't do GC any stuff, general construction anymore. So that is all. This whole kitchen is all going to be done by someone else. I believe Tony over at TR Construction. Here is a dropped temporary 3-way for this dining room right here. And just got done putting up all the fixtures, so pretty little fixture. It's missing some bulbs because I've put them somewhere else right now to cannibalize them, to use them someplace else. Here is ceiling fan in the front room. Turned out nice. So this is kind of like what it looks like afterwards. Here's one of our outlets in this living room. Here is another outlet in this living room. Here's where one of the old original baseboard ones used to be. It's going to get wood patched over. Here is a little stub out wall. It has an outlet on this side for the living room. That's one circuit. This is another circuit. This is the dining room circuit. And that goes along with this outlet right over here. And as you can see, there's just, with these lath and plaster houses, it's really hard to cut in outlets and do this without pretty bad damage. So that one's pretty clean. And that's the other side. This is our hallway. So you can see some damage there. And then of course down here along the outlet, I had to move it over to find the stud. And there's our old one. And then there's our new beautiful hall outlet. So you can kind of get an idea. Here's a little centered hallway. And yeah, so there's the new light fixture, all new wired in. This doorbell was all added with a new transformer up in the attic, new wires, button, bell, everything. The bathroom was not touched, just like the kitchen's getting completely redone by someone else. So here's one bedroom. And so yeah, so you can see kind of the repair that had to go in for that outlet that got installed. And then here's this one over here. And then they didn't want any other outlets, they just wanted the 3. So that went there. And then again, you know, damage for the switches. So here's the back panel. Back bedroom got the new panel. New load centers right here. Not too many breakers, just enough. It's a tiny little house. And none of the kitchen and bathroom circuits were installed because it's all going to be added by the other contractor. So yeah, they've got the pass holes through there and there to get it all done. This one turned out surgical. Nothing happened. No damage. This one, look at it. You know, obviously some damage. You know, this one damage. You know, but it all patches up nicely. This was a switch here that had some damage, and then of course above because of the framing of the building and how it was made. So out here it's the same. In this this living room, you can kind of see how I had to go above top there, and then also do, you know, damage above and below that switch. So it's a bit of work that goes in. This was added here, so we had to access the ceiling and the wall space to get power to above the little firewall area in front of that chimney that's right back behind that wall. So yeah, that's kind of how it is. This is an example of how I try to cut my holes with lath and plaster. It's pretty clean, does a nice job. All right, so thanks so much. Take care. Cheers, everybody.